I made this cute pillowcase as a gift. It has a pocket in the front to place things like books or a TV remote. And I used upcycled jean material to give it an interesting detail. Stay tuned to this video to see how you can make one too. I got the idea for this pillowcase from a YouTube video which I listed in the description box below. However, I put a spin on it by taking thrifted jean fabric and creating an upcycled pillowcase. First, I noted all the pieces that I would need, including a front piece measuring 17 inches by 17 inches, two back pieces measuring 17 inches by 12 inches, a main pocket piece that measures 17 inches by 10 inches, a pocket lining piece that measures 17 inches by 10.5 inches, and a handle piece that measures 10 inches by 4 inches. For the main pillow fabric, I used a snuggle fabric from Black History Month at Joann's, and I think I will make more pillows out of this fabric since I'm not sure what the best use of snuggle fabric is. I used part of a jean pant leg for the pocket and kept the seams for an interesting look. I used jean material for the handle as well. To start to put the pillow together, I lay the pocket lining and the pocket fabric piece right side together and pin along one long edge. Then I sewed a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Then I flipped the fabric open and ironed the seam allowance towards the lining. Again, I fold the pieces now wrong sides together and iron the seam again to form a small band of the lining that you can see at the top of the pocket piece. Then I laid the pocket piece on top of the right side of the front piece of fabric and lining up the edge of the bottom of the main piece of the pillow with the bottom of the pocket and pinned along the edges. I sewed a basting stitch along the left, right, and the bottom edge of those pieces of fabric. To make the handle, I took the handle fabric, folded it in half, and pressed. Then I opened up that fold and folded each side again into the crease and pressed that again. Then I top stitched that folded piece of fabric along both of the long edges to make the handle. I took the handle and I pinned the handle to the top edge of the front pillow cover piece. I pinned it about 5 inches from the left and right side of the pillow piece, making sure that I didn't twist the handle when I was placing it and pinning it along the top. I then basted the handle to the front piece of fabric about a 1/4 inch from the edge. For the back of the pillow, I made a note of which piece of fabric I wanted to be at the top of the back of the pillow and at the bottom of the back of the pillow. For the top back piece, I took the bottom edge of the top piece and folded it up 1 inch and pressed. I then unfolded and folded it into the crease, creating a narrow hem at the bottom. I sewed that in place, making sure to sew close to the folded edge of the hem. I did the same for the top edge of the back bottom piece. To put the pillow together, I laid the front right side of the pillow laying up, making sure that the handle was laying down towards the middle of the pillow. Then I took the top back piece right side down and matched the top unhemmed edge of the front piece to the top edge of the pillow front piece. Then I took the bottom back piece and lined up the unhemmed edge with the bottom of the main pillow fabric piece. I pinned all the way around the pillow and sewed a 1/2 inch seam all the way around each of the edges. After I did that, I clipped the corners to make turning the pillow inside out a little cleaner, and I turned it inside out through the envelope back opening. All I needed now was a 16-inch by 16-inch pillow insert to put it in the pillow, and I was done. This pillow is so cute. I think it's perfect for having on your couch or on your bed, or even a pillow to take outside for lounging and making sure you can carry your favorite book with you. Let me know what you think of my version in the comments. Thanks for watching.